Now, welcome again. Today, we are going to see how to get test cases from Jaffa scale. In last section, we have seen how to create test cases. Now, let's say we know the key, then how do you get the test case from Jaffa scale? So, if you see, I have opened the documentation. Okay. So, if you click on, so this is the API, right? REST API. Test case key is the required. Test case key is the main thing which is required. Okay. And we'll get the response is JSON format. And if it is successful, you get 200. Okay, default if it is, if error has occurred, again, the required things, the error code will come. Okay, let's straightly jump to our code. So again, same code only. Okay, same format, only the required thing will change. Last time when I was executing in PowerShell, so people got confused like how you are executing the code. So here I have switched to command. Okay, either you can do that or you can go to git bash and run Python saying Python, then your file name, whatever the file name. Let's see. Another one thing, but you can Python get links.py. This is the way you can run. If you are doing in command line, Python directly you can run Python and file name. You come to this. So, according to the API, so test cases slash test case key. So we have mentioned the API URL as test cases slash test case key. So this is the key DBT117 which last time we created. If you go to our Jaffa scale and go to our automation folder, right? T117 we have created and we have added the test script as well here. Okay. Let's fetch this information using our automation code. Okay. So if you go to the code, same thing. I have sent API URL and here I am doing a get request, get API URL and the header. If it is successful, print the JSON, okay, response to JSON. So straight away run because very straightforward. The same thing. Only the change here is API URL. Okay. Now let me run it. Okay. As I am command line, I'll dir instead of ls. Okay. Get sketch.py is our Python file name. Sorry, cls Python get sketch.py. Okay, we got some response, which is a JSON format. Let me copy it and beautify it. So I use my friend ChatGPT for that. You don't have to use ChatGPT. I have ChatGPT subscriptions. That's why I use it. But you can use your JSON beautifier or anything, whatever you want. Or you can just directly copy paste in WordPad and format it to see if you are getting the right result. I'll say format it. Okay, it's giving something. So I'll ask him, give me the JSON format only. Okay, see? Okay, that's good. That's good. I'll copy the code, put it in some of the notepad or WordPad somewhere. I'll put it. File, new window. Okay. So what we have seen here, you can see that if we start from the beginning, we know this ID. We are not sure what is this ID. Okay, don't bother about it right now. So we know what is the key, what is the name. Okay. Then created on objective, preconditions, estimated time, whatever we have added, everything is there. See, if you see here for priority, status, folder, owner, custom field, links. So here again they have given a, you know, again a link. Because if you see this one, you got the details, but you don't have the test steps here, right? So how will you get the test steps? They have given if you want to get the test steps. So this is the URL you can use. Let's copy paste this URL. Okay, go to our Jaffa scale API URL equal to paste that code. Okay, I'll comment this one and run it. Let me run in Gitway so that everyone will come to know if you run in Gitway how it works. Okay, let's get test cases. Okay, Python get test case.py. I got some result, right? So you can see start at 0, makes result 2. So makes result 2 mean there are maximum 2 steps available in this output, and there are total also 2 output is there. Okay, let's take this one. Let's take this one. Okay, and again beautify it. Right. So instead of going direct copy pasting, I'll just show you here. Okay, so you can see, right? You remember, right? We did inline while we are giving the test steps and these things when we are trying to create inside the test case. So same thing. Description, attempt to log into the application, username, test data, expected result is there. Okay. Test steps 2, expected result 2. So if you see our first scale, this one, yeah. So whatever we have, everything we got, right? Similarly, if you check back our previous, whatever we pasted the code, let's say I want to know the folder, right? So copy paste again this one, go to uh, go to the go to the code and the API URL as that one only. Okay, whatever we got it from the result. Control S saved. Let's rerun it. Okay, I'm not going to copy paste it anywhere because if you see parent ID name automation one, right? Our folder is automation one where we have created this thing, right? So that's how you can, get the required information from a test case, right? Very easy. Okay. Try it out. Let me know if you're facing any issue. In let's next section we'll see how to get links and create links, right? The get link and create link is in Zephyr scale. Let's say this is our test case, right? Here we have issues and web links. If anything is already added there, how do you get it? Or if nothing is there, how to create the issue link when you are creating test case, right? How to create, the link for a test case, right? We have not seen that, right? Create test case, we have seen name, objective, and test script. This section, traceability, issues, and web link, we have not seen. I'll show you how you can get the link and create the link as well. Okay. Thank you for joining in. I'll see you in the next section.